Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels on your device. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to scroll down and look for videos that you want to download. In our example, let's say we want to download this breakfast video, right? All you gotta do is to go up on the video, top right corner. You want to click on the three dots. Then you want to click on the second option on the left, which is link. When you click on link, you will simply copy the link on your clipboard. Then you want to head to Google Chrome. You want to click on Google Chrome and you want to look for Publer.io. I'm not affiliate or associate or whatever with this particular app. I just saw some people are using it. And the good thing with this is that there is no watermarks and you don't need a registration to actually download the videos. You want to click on this bar over here, and what you want to do, essentially you want to paste the link that we found, right? Then you want to click download. The app will simply process the video that we decided to download, right? And the video will simply appear over here underneath. Again, I know there are a lot of apps that simply will download with the TikTok watermark. There you have the video over here, and then you can actually download. You can actually proceed with clicking post, and then you can actually move on. I also saw that this app offer feature that you can download Instagram photos, you can download Instagram videos, Instagram stories. You can also download TikTok videos. I haven't tried none of these except for the reels, right? But you can try, you can give it a shot. Let me know in the comment section if some of you guys actually try these other functions. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.